Welcome back to Lone Star Grills. Today, we're firing up El Patron for some party rib fun. This rib recipe is fast, easy, and incredibly delicious. We have here a slab of baby back ribs weighing in at about 3.5 pounds. We'll start by removing the membrane from the back, and the best way to do this is with a butter knife. Gently work the flat edge underneath the membrane, then grab a paper towel for some traction and pull that membrane off. Use a sharp knife to cut into individual portions between each rib bone. Hit them with a little olive oil and make sure they're coated well. Give them a generous coating of our LSG Texas Bold, or just use your favorite rib rub. Now you can let them hang out and sweat that rub in while we get our El Patron all set up for today's cook. Our El Patron is the most versatile grill and smoker that we make. It can pretty much do anything. In fact, we call it the Swiss Army knife of barbecue. Head over to our website for all the information. Our target temperatures for today's cook are 250 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We're set up for an indirect heat cook with our deflector plates in place, and we'll just need a small to medium-sized fire today, burning a mixture of oak and hickory. Once you get your vents adjusted and temperatures locked in, it's time to get these ribs on. Make sure you leave enough space in between each for smoke to travel. This will give you the best results. Allow El Patron to lay down some beautiful smoke flavor on these ribs for about 60 to 90 minutes, or until your bark is fully set. This will usually happen between 175 and 185 degrees Fahrenheit. And then it's time to get them into a foil pan with your favorite barbecue sauce. Be sure to get them all coated well, cover with foil, and get them right back on El Patron. Allow them to go for approximately 30 to 60 more minutes, or until they reach a tender temperature of 203 to 207 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you can remove them from El Patron, rest them for about 15 to 30 minutes, and serve them up just the way you like. That's how you make incredible ribs in less than half the time, with tender, juicy results and amazing bark. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave us a comment, let us know what you think, and let us know if you've got any suggestions or requests for future videos. As always, if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, give us a call or check out our links below. And we'll see you on the next video.